Hello guys, welcome to my channel. First method, click to start, type run, and then open it, and then type this sysdm.cpl and then hit enter. Okay, and then click to advanced option. In the performance, click on setting and then click advanced tab, then virtual machine, virtual memory. In the virtual memory, click to change. Check this automatic managing ping size all drive. Check this and then apply. Okay, 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 and apply. Okay, you can restart later. Yeah, you can restart later after complete these videos. Okay, so click to chat later. Try to one more 1 2 3 command also there's for it's good for your system. Try to then click to start and type cmd, right click to run as administrator, and then click to type chktsk space c column space s f. Okay, and then press yes. After that it will start the person. Okay, so it will, when you restart your system, it will take 4 to 5 minutes because of your system will be fully scan windows related getting any issues and all. Okay, minimized. Then guys, restart your system and then please check if your issue is resolved. So please comment me also. If not, also comment me, then I will create advanced level videos. Okay, thank you.